When we are talking about blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, we cannot forget about NFTs. So why we are not? Then let's get into the video. NFT means non-fungible token. Simply if I say one person can only own a particular NFT, it can be an image, a video or even a tweet. And the best thing is others cannot own your NFT because they can't right click and download your NFT because this is working from the blockchain technology. Don't worry if you didn't understand because from the next video we are going to talk about blockchains. However, this is about human psychology, which is owning your own property in this virtual world. For an example, you can own a house or a land in the real world. Likewise, you can own an NFT in the virtual world. Right now, NFTs are selling for millions of dollars. That's why the Bitcoin billionaire in India bought this NFT for $69,346,250 from the artist Beeple. So this is a simple introduction for NFTs. So if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to Side Mirror and click the like button. Also, if you want to get a notification, click the bell icon and click all. See you on the next video. Side Mirror beyond your sight.